Hello, beautiful people. My name is Shredder. I am a Lagos-based Forex trader, and I trade purely off technical analysis. I want to thank you for finding this video, for finding my channel. Now, the Shredder's Journal is a way for me to share my experience, to share my learning curve, to share my progress as a trader. Now, I've only been trading for basically about 3 years now, and I'm self-taught. I learned all about the market, the Forex market, on YouTube. So I hope me putting out this video, I want people out there to be able, who probably living in Africa and not having that, are not financially buoyant enough to attend that class, that Forex class that is so expensive, and all that they have is probably YouTube or Google. Now I want to tell them, using this channel, showing them that okay, oh yes, it can actually be done. So I want to use myself as a scapegoat, as like a test sample, so that people will be able to what's the word now, judge for themselves and say, okay, if this guy can't do it learning from YouTube, then why can't I? So that's it, guys. That's just it for me to share my trading analysis, the way I think, share my trading plan, share my trading system, and then one or two things that I have learned. So that's just basically what Shredder's Journal is about. Now, so guys, please subscribe to my channel and do all that good stuff. So today's video is a follow-up on the last video that I did, where I basically shared my ideas on USDJPY, and then where we are right now. So let me quickly open my mobile MT4. Okay. So guys, if you would quickly, if you've not watched my last video, I would please hold on just a minute. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. If you have not watched my previous video, the last video that I did, where I shared my analysis, shared my own insight, my personal insight. Oh, Jesus. I apologize for that noise. Lagos can be very noisy at times. So if you've not watched my last video, I would suggest that you quickly watch it and then come back and then continue on this one. So if you remember, on the last video, we were somewhere around here, at this level here. So I was saying that I was expecting the market to retrace to this level here because of the structure the market already has at that level. So I said that I expect the market retraces to that level, and that when it goes to that level, I want to see an engulfing candle print on that level, and I want to see a volume, an increasing volume. So guys, if you quickly check down as well, you see a significantly high volume that accompanies this engulfing candle right there. So that was the trigger for me, guys. That was the trigger for me. So I think it was about on the 11th, and today is 12th. On the 11th around 3 a.m. that was when I took the trade. So I was a bit late. I was about 3 hours late when I took that trade, and to the downside. So I shorted. So this is where we are. This is the current market situation. So I explained in that video why that was the case for me. So why I actually did what I went short on this particular pair. So guys, hopefully in the future, I know I didn't really explain my trading system. I didn't really explain a little things. I just went in straight. I just dived in, and then I know it was too early. I just wanted to put that out because it was a trade I wanted to take, so I just decided to do a video along with it. But hopefully in the future, I believe I would go in depth. I would explain for new traders who would want to follow, who would want to learn, who would want to make me their mentor in a way. So they would I would be explaining my trade plan, my trading strategy. I would be explaining a lot of things. So basically I just wanted to share and I wanted to give an update on the situation of things. So and I don't know, today is Friday and it's already 9:30, and the market will be closing in, I don't know, very soon. So I won't want this trade to leave it open till next week. So I'll be closing this trade now and take my profit. So that's just it. It's a demo account. It's not a real account. So it's not. It's not a real account. So this is just my practice account. So I'm using this to share my. But hopefully also in the future, I would. This is what I would do. I would fund a live account, and every single trade that I take on that live account, I would do a video for it explaining why I'm taking a trade. You know, in Forex we are encouraged to have a journal of every activity that we do, every of our activity in the market, every trade that we take, why we take the trade, why we are exiting the trade, why, just a journal, the pair. Just there are certain things that you need to, at that particular point in time, your state of mind, like what you basically, what I'm trying to say is that you are advised to have a journal. So me now, I'll be using my journal will be like in a video form. So basically that was why I even created Shredder's journal in the first place, rather than having a what's it called, an Excel file where I'll do my journaling. I'd rather have my journaling done on YouTube in a video format. So that's basically, it's a journal for me. By the time I eventually fund that account, and then every single trade, hopefully you guys would follow through, whether I blow that account, I become profitable. So that's just basically it. So I hope I would get a lot of following. I hope to grow my subscribers base. So guys, please, I would I feel encouraged if you guys would share this video, talk about this video. Like, I don't know, just do those good stuff, Sha. Just do those good stuff. Anyway, Sha, I don't talk too much. I don't talk past. I don't talk what I'm not supposed to. Well, that's just it, Sha. That's just it. That's just it. So, thank you very much, guys. See you some other time. See you when I post my next video. Bye bye.